One little apple, two little pears, three tiny stars, four teddy bears, five little ducks, six soft shoes, seven red buttons, eight little blue bows. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Count with me, it's easy as can be.
Believe it or not, this entire nursery rhyme was created with AI, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. The nursery rhymes niche is one of the most profitable faceless YouTube niches you can get into. Why? Because kids don't just watch a video once, they watch the same songs over and over again. Every replay means more watch time, more views, and more revenue. On top of that, parents are constantly searching for fun, educational content for their children every single day. That's exactly why channels like CoComelon have attracted billions of views and, according to estimates from TubePilot, generate anywhere from $19 million to $98 million every month. That's not luck, it's a proven content system. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to create original nursery rhyme songs, turn them into engaging animated videos, and build a faceless YouTube channel that you can monetize, all without filming yourself or learning animation. Let's jump in. Welcome! Click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment to visit Drama.Land. After you sign up, you are going to get 1,000 free credits to start creating. Once you sign up, simply navigate to the Task Center here, where you can redeem 1,000 free credits to start generating, just like I have right here. Now, let me take you through the interface, and right after that, we are going to create our nursery rhyme. On your right-hand side, you have the Home tab. Below that, we have Projects tab, which is where everything you generate will be saved. We also have Assets, which holds everything you upload, such as your media files. Next, we have Tools. As you can see, they have a wide variety of quick tools, depending on what you want to create. Under Cinematic and Storytelling, we have Concept Films, Narrative Films, Screenplay Mode, Explainer Videos, Video Studio, and even a Music Video Studio. You can create full-blown music videos with these tools right here. Under Social Media and Viral Content, we have OTDD videos, meme videos, and very realistic lip sync, which is truly amazing, as well as image creation tools. Under Music and Audio, we have Music Studio, AI voices, sound design, and much more. But since we know what we're creating today, I will show you how to generate nursery rhymes and get them monetized on YouTube. Let's head back to the home page right here. On the home page, you will see it has two features, Classic and Agentic. With Classic, you can manually select everything you want to do. However, I prefer the Agentic mode. This is where you talk to the Dolly agent, and Dolly is going to do everything for you. I'm going to input my prompt so we can start generating our nursery rhyme song. I'll paste my prompt here to generate original music lyrics for an educational kids nursery rhyme. I prefer to set a duration for it, let's say 30 seconds. If you want, you can increase or reduce this depending on your needs. If you look here on the plus sign, you will see options to upload your own audio, image, or video, or pick from the library. I'm not going to do that right now. You can also select a specific skill, just like I showed you in the Tools section. I will go with the Music Studio, since we are starting with our educational kids song. Just like that, I'll click on Send, and Dolly will start generating everything we need. Now, we just have to sit back and answer a handful of questions, and in the end, we are going to get full-blown lyrics for our song and plan our complete music video. Let's wait a moment and see how it turns out. Now, we are given a chance to select the nursery rhyme lyrics we prefer. Read through them and find the one that you want. If you don't like any of the initial options, they offer themes like the Counting Crew and Count With Me. You can select any of these. If you have a specific theme in mind and none of these fit right, you can simply select Neither Feels Right. But since one of these feels right to me, I will select the Count With Me theme right here, the second option. The Dolly AI is going to do justice to our song. Let's wait a moment. Just so you know, it is going to cost us 100 credits to turn this Count With Me theme into lyrics. As you can see, it's just 100 credits, so I will go ahead and approve it. This is basically how the process works. You just answer a few queries. If anything doesn't feel right to you, tell the AI to change it. You are simply conversing with the Dolly agent, and it does everything on your behalf. As you can see, it is now generating our song using Suno version 5.5, which is the latest Suno version available and fully integrated into Drama.Land. Suno 5.5 will give you two audio options. You just have to preview them and select the one you prefer. If you don't like either of them, you can always try a different style.
One little apple, two little pears, three tiny stars, four teddy bears, five little ducks, six soft shoes, seven red buttons, eight little blue bows. Count with.
Let's preview the second one we got.
One little apple, two little pears, three tiny stars, four teddy bears, five little ducks, six soft shoes, seven red buttons, eight little blue bows. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Count with me, it's easy as can be.
I think I like the first version best, so I will go ahead and select version A. Dolly will now start working on the next step. Let's give it a minute and see how it turns out. Version A is now locked in. Next, it will ask you a handful of questions. Because I specifically requested a 30-second video, it is asking me if it should trim the audio to that length, because the generated song is actually 1 minute and 29 seconds. I will tell it to proceed and select Make Music Video. It is now going to plan the music video based on the song that Suno generated. Automatically, it will select the best skill to generate the music video. Dolly is now asking me to approve a step to clean up the quality of the transcription. I just have to approve it. Basically, you just read through its suggestions, and whatever doesn't make sense to you, you can ask Dolly to tweak it however you want. It's very simple. You either approve the steps or tell it exactly what you want it to change. Dolly has cleaned up the timing and is now asking me if everything looks correct. You need to go through the lyrics and make sure everything is accurate. For example, looking here, it says A is for ant, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for tall. That doesn't make sense. This is exactly why you have to review it. I will copy that line and paste it into the chat to let the AI know there is a mistake. There's another error right below it. You want to make sure you catch any mistakes so the AI can fix them. These are the only two errors we have in our transcript. Since this video is for kids, we must ensure there are absolutely no errors in the educational content. I will prompt Dolly, and it has successfully corrected the text. It changed it to D is for dog, which is correct, and H is for hat, which is also correct. I will click on Send, and it is going to fuse these corrections into our final song. We do not want any mistakes in a kid's song. Anytime you're creating videos, regardless of how much you trust the AI, always remember that AI can make mistakes just like we humans do. I will go ahead and approve the corrections. We now have every word perfectly correct, which is amazing. The corrected lyrics are now being sent back to Suno so it can generate a new song featuring the accurate words. Suno is rebaking the song right now. The revised audio with the correct lyrics is done, so I will select option 2. Dolly is now going to generate our video for us. Let's give it a moment. It has indicated that everything is fixed. You simply have to type Continue or Approve, and Dolly will understand to move forward. It is now moving to phase 2 of generating our music video. Since our music is already generated, we just have to turn that into a video. Phase 1 is locked in. Now we are in phase 2, where the creative direction takes place. It is asking us what kind of music video feels right. we have the hybrid option, which blends narrative, performance, and concept. I will type hybrid and click send. Our music video is going to be generated in no time. Next, it is giving us choices for the overall tone and mood. We have options like storyboard wonderland, bright classroom pop, and garden discovery. I like option C, the outdoor look, so I will select option C. Now it gives you the chance to select the video generation model you want. These are all C-Dance models, but we have different tiers. We have C-Dance 2.0 Mini, C-Dance 2.0 Fast, and C-Dance 2.0 for the highest quality. I want the highest quality rendered in 1080p, which is best for hero shots. I will input that and click Send. It is now going to use C-Dance 2.0 to generate our nursery rhyme. It is asking if I have any extra visual instructions for Gate 4. I don't have any specific visual instructions, so I will just type Leave it open and click Send. The scene segments are all planned out now. You can go through them and see how it looks. If you find a scene unappealing or if you want to change something, you can ask Dolly to tweak it. But I find everything perfect. I will just type Confirm. It is going to build our final nursery rhyme video. Here is a very crucial part that you have to configure, the visual style for your music video. Go through the options and find the one you prefer. None of the default options are exactly what I want. I need a 3D cartoon style, so I will select Custom, off Library, and type 3D cartoon style. You also have to select your aspect ratio. I will select 16:9, which is the perfect standard format for YouTube. Now I will hit Send. It provides some of the 3D cartoon styles available, such as Vibrant Soft 3D, 3D Cartoon, Claymation, and Wool Fiber texture. I like the 3D cartoon style best because it's very catchy and kids really love this kind of animation. I will select that one. Just know that if you ever want a different style, you can simply ask the Drama.Land AI and it will create it for you. Our style is now locked in. It is going to generate all the reference images for this style using GPT Image 2. I will go ahead and approve this step. Now we have our 3D reference pack. These are the character designs and scenes that will be used. They look incredibly vibrant, which is exactly what kids love. Dolly is now generating all 11 video segments. Very soon, they will pop up on our right-hand side. Our first segment is done. Let's check it out and see.
One.
It looks fantastic. Let's ask it to generate all the remaining clips. Our final video is done right here. There are a few final touches you can add if you want, such as adding subtitles or generating a social media kit. Adding subtitles is a great idea. You just ask the Drama.Land Dolly AI to do it for you. Let's go ahead and view the final project.
One little apple, two little pears, three tiny stars, four teddy bears, five little ducks, six soft shoes, seven red buttons, eight little blue bows. Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Count with me, it's easy as can be. A is for ant, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for fish, G is for green, H is for hat. A, B, C, sing with me, count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C.
And that is how you create your nursery rhyme videos using Drama.Land AI. Now that you know how to create high-quality nursery rhymes, you could build the next CoComelon YouTube channel. All you have to do is start uploading these videos.
If you want to know how to set up a Faceless YouTube channel the right way and monetize it, I have a full video on this channel that covers all the technical steps. Make sure to check that out. I'll leave the link in the description and up in the corner. Before you go, click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment to visit Drama.Land and start creating. Just like I stated earlier, when you sign up, you get over 1,000 credits for free. Be sure to use my promo code, which you can also find in the description or the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.